Hey guys! This is Elaine
And I am Chelsea,
senior high school students of University of San Carlos. So we will be presenting to you what position paper is, what are the three parts of a position paper, and what you have to do in order to write your own position paper. So without much ado,
So first things first, what do you mean by a position paper? A position paper is a type of academic paper that presents a claim or position on a certain issue. It is also known as point of view paper. It presents one side of an arguable opinion about an issue which is grounded on facts and evidences. Evidences could be statistical data, expert ideas, events, or dates. Now, let us proceed for the parts of the position paper. First, we have the introduction. Like usual sample of introduction, this part provides an overview of the issue being talked about. The introduction presents your statement of facts or claims. Next part is the body. The body consists of two parts. First is the presentation of the counter-argument of the issue and its discussion. Second is the diplomatic presentation of your claims on the issues. This time, it's your claim that you are going to discuss. The last part would be the conclusion. This summarizes the idea that have been made on the issue. You also have to recap main ideas from the introduction and the body. And lastly, in this part, you have to offer possible solutions or concrete measures.
so after being able to know the parts of a position paper, let us proceed to giving you some steps on how to write a position on a certain issue. So first and foremost, you have to decide on a certain issue. You have to decide on a genuine and an interesting one. This could either be about education, environment, war and military, social media, other social issues that basically interests you. Next, after deciding on your topic, you have to be knowledgeable about it. You have to research about it. Get some information. Get as many informations as you can. You have to be aware of the topic that you have chosen. Next, you have to look for supporting evidences, such as facts, reports from journals and publications, and other statistical data to support your arguments. Next, you have to list all the positive and negative side of your chosen topic. It's basically writing the pros and the cons. Next, establish your statement of facts. These statement of facts would be your thesis statement. What do you mean by a thesis statement? So, a thesis statement serves as a roadmap. In other words, it tells the readers what to expect from the rest of the paper. An example of a thesis statement would be something like, you have a subject that is a world war, and therefore, your thesis statement must offer a way for the readers to understand the war. Next, develop your thesis statements. And lastly, you have to outline all your arguments. Remember that after each argument, there has to be proofs. So it is ideal to prepare an outline before you full-on write or proceed to your detailed position paper. So that would be all for position paper. Thank you, and we hope that you learned something from us today.